Hey, I'm Joe with Modern Tie, and today I'm going to show you how to use your new tie. As soon as you receive your modern tie, putting it on is super simple. First thing you're going to do is lift your collar, pull back on your top button, and slide the knot over that top button, eliminating all that extra fabric around your neck. As soon as you have your knot on, simply insert the tie into the knot. And if you want to change your look, it takes a matter of seconds. All you do is simply pull it out and attach the other one, and you're on your way. Best part about Modern Tie is the fact that we have hundreds of combinations for you to choose from. No matter what the occasion, we have your back. We have everything from different styles of knots all the way down to different colors. Now, the days of having one tie for the entire day, that was so last week. Let's say you have a job interview at 5, you want to look classy, but at 6, you have a hot date with the girl next door you've been trying to impress for months. All you have to do is simply take out your tie, insert the new one, and you're on your way to your date.